Hello guys, this is Afsar Alam. As you know, I am preparing for IELTS exam, and I have taken a target to score band 9. I have only 40 days left because my exam is on 9 January 2021. Okay. So in this video, whatever I have learned so far, I will tell you. I will discuss with you. Okay. So what I learned so far, first is the format of exam. This is very important because before you go for any exam, you prepare for any exam, it is better you have to understand the format of the exam. Okay, so in this video I will discuss the format of the exam. Okay, IELTS exam. Okay, so first of all, what is IELTS? IELTS full form is International English Language Testing System. Okay, it is a language ability test to go to abroad. Okay, to go to other countries if you want to settle or if you want to go for academic. Okay, so there is two kind of exam in the IELTS. One is called academic, IELTS academic, and the second is IELTS general. So IELTS academic is for test is for those who is going for study purpose, okay, for educational purpose. And IELTS general is for those who are going to settle in abroad or who are going to work, okay. So this is general IELTS general test, okay. And IELTS test is organized by two institutions. One is British Council, the second is IDP, okay. And there is two kind of testing methods. Okay, when you go for in test center, there will be two kind of tests. One is paper based test, and another one is computer based test. Okay, so one is called CBT, computer based test, and another one is PBT, that is paper based test. So before you book your exam test schedule, you have to choose this. Okay, whether you want to give it on paper or on computer. Okay, so the IELTS test has 4 modules. Okay, there will be 4 module test to know your ability of English. Okay, the first module will be listening module, and the second will be writing module, the third will be reading module, the fourth will be speaking module. Okay, so the first 3 will be test will be done on the same day. The last one, the speaking module or the interview, will be done maybe 7 days before your scheduled date or after scheduled date. Okay, so in the first 3 module, let's discuss about first 3 module. Okay, so in the listening module, you will get 30 to 40 minutes of timing. Okay, and there will be 4 recordings, 4 separate recording will be played in front of you on the computer, and you will have around 40 questions in total. Okay, in total for 4 recordings, you will get 40 questions in total, and you have to answer that. So what kind of recording will be played in those 4 recordings? Okay, so 2 recordings will be related to monologue. Okay, like one person will be speaking on any topic. Okay, and the next 2 recording will be conversational. Okay, the conversational where 2 to 4 people will be discussing on any topic. Okay, so this will be the test module of the listening test. Okay, then there will be reading. Okay, so in the reading module, you will have 60 minutes of time. You will get 60 minutes of time. Okay, and you will have 3 passages. Okay, 3 passages, and there will be 40 questions in total. Okay, in 3 passages, a total of 40 questions will be there. Okay, so you will get 1 hour time, 3 passages, and 40 questions. And the passages will be from anything from your work related or factual related text or any paragraph. Okay, so you have to read that carefully and you have to answer. And I would like to discuss also about the pattern of question. There will be a lot of patterns for both the listening and reading. Okay, like there will be multiple choice question for both the reading and listening, multiple choice, and then true, false, and not given, yes, no, not given, then matching type of question, match below, something like this, and then multiple choice questions. Okay, where 1 or 2 or maybe 3 options could be correct. Okay, and then there will be in the listening, there could be diagram or maps labeling kind of questions. Then there will be matching type of questions. Then there could be a sentence completion, table completion, form filling, those kind of questions will be there. So you have to read correctly and you have to answer. Okay, and same kind of question but little more will be in the reading, in the reading passage. Okay, in the reading section a kind of similar kind of questions will be there. Okay, like multiple choices, sentence completion, table completion, finding out the title of the passage and the matching. Okay, and maybe the true false. Okay, so these kinds of category will be there in the reading section as well. Okay, and the third module is writing. Okay, so writing will have two kind of tasks. Okay, that, and you will get 1 hour of 60 minutes of time again. Okay, in total. Okay, for the two tasks in total. Okay, so the first task will be writing a letter. Okay, the task one will be to write a letter. It could be a informal letter or formal letter, both. Okay, like anyone. Okay, so you have to write a letter in 150 words. Okay, there is a word limit. You should not write less than 150. You must write more than 150 words. Okay, then after a letter there will be task 2 in the writing section. The task 2, that is the final task, is essay. Okay, essay writing. So you will be given a topic, any general topic. Okay, about the current affairs, from the health, anything. Okay, scenario, you will be given a scenario and you have to write an essay, and the essay you should write not less than 250 words. Okay, so this will be in the writing section. You have to write a letter and an essay. Okay, so all these 3 tests will be done together. Then you will be again called for the interview, maybe 7 days before the scheduled date or 7 days after the scheduled date. Okay, your test avenue will tell you. Okay, inform you about this. So in the final module, that is called speaking module or maybe interview module, you can tell, there will be three tasks. Okay, the first task will be to introduce yourself. Okay, it will be like to introduce yourself, and it is like a personal interview. Okay, tell me about yourself. This will be the first question, and you have to speak maybe 1 or 2 minutes on this. Okay, maybe 1 minute. Okay, that would be enough. Then the interviewer will stop you, and then they will tell you, okay, here is your cue card. So this will be the second task. Okay, in the speaking module, that is cue card. They will give you a cue card. Cue card is a question card. Cue card is a question card where a question will be written on the card, and you will get 1 minute of time to think on that topic. Okay, and then you have to start speaking. Okay, so interviewer will ask you, okay, speak on the topic, please start. Then you have to start, and you have to speak at least fluently, clearly, okay, with mindfulness for about 2 minutes. Okay, and then interviewer will stop you, and then he will go for the third task, that is a question answer basis. Okay, like he will be questioning 2 or 3 questions he will do from your understanding, from your logic on that topic. Okay, related to that cue card topic. Okay, he may ask you, okay, what do you think about this, what is your opinion, whether it is correct or no, like what is your opinion. So he will ask your opinion, but it will be related to the cue card only. Okay, so these kind of 4 modules will be there in the IELTS test. Okay, IELTS general test. So I am going to attend IELTS general test. Okay, I will go for computer based test or paper based. I will discuss. I will think on this. Okay, so this is what I have learned so far. To how to prepare for IELTS exam. This is better to first know the format of the IELTS exam. So this was all about the format. Okay, I will be sharing more thing like this, how I am preparing for IELTS and everything. Okay, thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to my, a lot of people is complaining that you never tell in your video that please subscribe, like and comment. So in this video I would like to tell you, please subscribe, like and comment to my channel. I am not having a lot of time, but still I am trying to give you my whatever I am doing, and maybe it could be beneficial for you, in your life, at some point in your life. Okay, to how to struggle in your life, how people succeed in life, how people struggle, try and succeed. Okay, or fail, anything could happen. Okay, so this is what I am making my video. I am video on my own experiences. Okay, thank you for watching.